Good morning everyone. Welcome back to SK Foundation online class. This is our maths class for class 8. So our today's topic is exponents and power. Okay, this is our revision class. So today we are going to solve a few sums from our exercise. Okay. So before going to start our sums, first we are going to discuss about some formula of exponent. Okay. Suppose already know that a number ordinary of the term a, and this is called base and this one called power, right? A to the power m and another term, suppose a to the power n, right? So here this is called base, this part is called base and this term is called power, right? Previously already discussed regarding this matter. So look at here, in this expression here is two types of base are there, a to the power m and another one a to the power n, right? Two terms are there and both the term they contain same base, a to the power m and this one a to the power n. Okay, and this expression is in multiply form, right? Like this, a to the power m into a to the power n. Okay, so when two term contain same base and the sum is in multiply form, on that time we are going to take one base as a common and powers are added, right? This is our formula. Second one, suppose two term they are in divide form, like this, a to the power m divide a to the power n. Okay, here also their base are same but power are different and this expression is in divide form. Okay, in this case powers are subtracted. Okay, third formula, if any of the term, if it contains more than one power, it may be 2, maybe 3, whatever. Suppose first power a to the power m, second one n. Okay, in this case these two power they are multiplied, right? A to the power m into n. Okay, if it contains more than 2 power, also the powers are multiplied, like this, a to the power m, then n once again, and then suppose any of the l. So on this, in this case also powers are multiplied, m into n into l, m into n into l. Okay, and if any of the term, if it contain power 0, like a to the power 0, its value is always equals to 1. Okay, suppose a number 2, its power is 0, 2 to the power 0, that means its value always equals to 1. Okay, any of the number, whatever, 100 to the power 0 is also equals to 1. Okay, so this is our formula. Now we are going to start our exercise sums, okay, by using this formula. Simplify 2 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, and whole to the power minus 1. Okay, this is a question. So we are going to solve this expression. So already know that if any of the number with power is negative, that means inverse, that means it represented as 1 by 2, 2 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 2, okay. Same, this one 1 by 4, this one 1 by 3, right, to the power whole to the power minus 1. Next, then we are going to take the LCM, 2, 4 and 3. LCM of 2, 4 and 3 is 12, okay. This one 6, 3 and this one 4. Whole to the power minus 1. So 6 plus 4, 10, 13. 13 by 12 to the power minus 1, right. So look at here, this number contain power minus 1, that means here we are going to apply this formula, a to the power minus 1 means 1 by a, okay. So that means 12 by 13, clear. Whenever you see the power is negative, that means the number, the numerator and denominator get interchanged, okay. So here 13 by 12 now represented as 12 by 13, okay. This is our answer. So in this way we are going to solve this type of sums, okay. Next, come to another example. Number 2. Okay, next another example. Simplify. Three square, 3 to the power minus 5, 3 to the power 6, okay. So here all the term they contain same base, that means 3, and they are in multiply form, that means powers are added. So 2 plus of minus 5, then plus 6, right. So 2 plus minus minus, then 6, okay. So 3, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 minus 5, it means 3, 3 cube means 27, okay. So another type sums. Next, move to another example. Number 3, simplify. Nine cube into 27 into t to the power 4 by 3 square into 3 to the power 4 into t square, okay. So look at here, this is a numerator part and this is a denominator part. Okay, so 9 cube, first we are going to represent this 9 square of 3, and it also contained 1 cube. So this one 3 square means 9 and this 3. Okay, 27 means cube of 3, and this one t to the power 4. Okay, denominator contained 3 square, this one 3 to the power 4 and t square. Okay, so these two power they are multiplied, so 3 to the power 6 into 3 cube into t to the power 4, right? This one 3 square, 3 to the power 4 and t square, right? So look at here, where this 2 3 they are in multiply form, so powers are added, 6 plus 3, right? And t to the power 4, this t to the power 4 and t square they are in divide form, that's why t to the power 4 minus 2. Okay, and here this 3, 2 plus 4. Okay, so 3 to the power 9, this one, and this one 3 to the power 2 plus 4 means 5. So this part and this part they are in divide form, that's why powers are subtracted. So 9 minus 6, 2 plus 4 6, and t square. Okay, now that means 9 minus 6 3, t square, 3 cube 27 t square. This is our answer. Okay, next move to another example. Find x if minus 2 by 3 to the power 13 minus 13 into 3 by minus 2 to the power 8 equals to minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. Okay, this is our question. Okay, so look at here, the first term minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 13, this one 3 by minus 2 to the power 8 equals to minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so look at here, the first two term, this one minus 2 by 3, this one 3 by minus 2, right? So if we are going to change this one in this form, suppose minus 2 in numerator and 3 in denominator, then these two terms they are same in this way. Suppose minus 2 by 3 as it is same, this one minus 13. Okay, and if we represent this one in this form like minus 2 by 3, okay, so on that condition this power 8 represented as minus 8. Okay, and this one as it is fixed. Okay, now look at here, in the first term and second term their base are same, and this sums is in multiply form. So first we are going to take one base as a common. Okay, and powers are added according to our rules of exponent. So minus 13 plus minus 8, right? This one minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. Okay, So this one represented as in this way, like minus 13 plus minus 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 2 by 3 minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so this one minus 21 minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. Okay, now look at here, in both the side, left hand side and right hand side, their base are same, so we can cancel or eliminate these two bases. So after eliminating these two base, or remaining part, minus 21 equals to minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so here we are going to find value of x. Okay, now we are going to separate like terms like this. So minus 2x and this one 1 plus 21, right? 22 to x, so x equals to 22 by 2, that means x equals to 11. Okay, so in this way we are going to solve this type of sum. Clear? So students, now note down your homework. Simplify 4 to the power 0, four square minus 2 cube into 3 to the power minus 2. Next, simplify Okay, this is your homework. Okay, students, I hope you have understood what I have taught you. Try to solve your exercise sums and this homework. If you have any doubt, contact us. Okay, thank you.